friends, it's Miss Jenifer at Somerset Academy of Music, and today I'm going to show you how to play the D-flat major cadence. That's right, I'm going to take you through and show you how to play the D-flat major cadence with all the correct notes and fingering, one and two hands separately and together. So before we get started, I'd just like to thank you for watching the video. If you find it at all helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. And as always, feel free to share my videos with your friends and family. All right, so we're going to start with the right hand. As you may already know, when we play a cadence, the chord progression we're going to play today, we are going to be building chords on the first note, the fourth note, and the fifth note of the scale, which is going to be our one chord is going to be D flat major. Our four chord is going to be G flat major, and our 5/7 chord, our dominant 7 chord, is going to be A flat 7. So let's take a look at that one chord first. So we have D flat major, and we are going to play that with our right hand. D flat, F, A flat with our 1, 3, and 5. Our 4 chord, which is G flat major, we are going to play that as D flat, G flat, B flat with our 1, 3, and 5. Then our A flat 7, we're going to play that as C, G flat, A flat with our 1, 4, and 5. Now to play this cadence, we're going to put our chords in a specific order that is going to be as follows. We're going to do the 1 chord, the 4 chord, back to the 1 chord, the 5/7 chord, and finish up on the 1 chord. Let's take a look at that chord progression. Looks like this. So we got D flat major, G flat major, D flat major, A flat 7, D flat major. Okay, let's check out the left hand. The left hand uses all the same notes. The fingering is just slightly different. So the left hand is going to play D flat major. We've got D flat, F, A flat again with our 5, 3, and 1. G flat major, our 4 chord, is going to be played D flat, G flat, B flat with our 5, 2, and 1. Then our A flat 7 is going to be played C, G flat, A flat with our 5, 2, 1. Okay, so when we put that cadence again, we're going to be playing it 1 chord, 4 chord, 1 chord, 5/7, back to 1 chord. This is what it looks like in the left hand. So D flat major, G flat major, D flat major, A flat 7, D flat major. All right, the only thing we have left to do is put hands together. So here is this cadence in D flat major with both hands. Let's check it out. So we've got D flat major, G flat major, D flat major, A flat 7, back to D flat major. There you go. That's how we play the chord progression for D flat major. If you found this at all helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. And I will look forward to seeing you in the next video real soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.